Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kisui. So in today's video we're making spicy jollof rice as the way the weather be now. One has to eat something spicy. So after blending my tomato and pepper, I put my oil in my pot and I pour the pepper. This is the pepper mixture. I add my chicken stock, which is benif, then curry, a little maggi, which is not, if not be not, it cannot be no. Always remember this. I added my chickens, cooked chicken. Always remember that cleanliness is next to godliness. And again, this video is for Victory, watching from Port Harcourt. Thank you for always watching us, and I hope you love this recipe. Okay, let's continue. So after mixing both the chicken, the meat, the reason for the meat is for it to suck all those peppery stuff. Then, and you notice that it's ready. Just carry your parboiled rice, cooked rice, and mix. Okay, so for those of you that don't eat pepper, please be mindful of your pepper. Like me, I just add a little tomato of 200. You can imagine how the size was. Just 4 pieces of tomato, then enough pepper. So that's what I'm using. The rice is actually spicy. Then I sprinkle my onion. If you have spring onion, you can sprinkle. Then I sprinkle my curry leaf, cutting fresh from the garden. Tell us where you're watching us from, so that I will send you a hug in my next video. Thank you for always watching Cook with Grace Kisui. Let's continue. Guys, at this juncture, the rice is oozing everywhere. The environment, the atmosphere. In fact, even my neighbor, if I allow you, go let my neighbor talk. So guys, at this junction, our food is ready. I hope you love this recipe and you'll be giving it a try for this cold weather, because now it's this weather I need to. So guys, tada! I love you guys and see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Bye.